Okay, this week, because Miss Edmonds has a whole bunch of caterpillars, our last batch didn't do so well. I think they got some kind of sickness, but this week we have 12 caterpillars that are all in the chrysalid stage that we'll show you. I thought I'd read this caterpillar to butterfly book, and I want you to try to figure out if you think this is a fiction book, fake, like a made-up story, or you think it's a non-fiction, which is not fake, and real story, if it's a real story about real information, or if it's all just made up. And it says caterpillar to butterflies. There's some clues here to help you. And our chrysalids are all in this little form right now. So, table of contents. A riddle. What starts as an egg, then walks on many legs, then uses wings to fly? I bet you know. It's a butterfly. That rhymes. Beautiful butterflies. Butterflies are fun to watch. They fly with loops and dives. Some have bright colors, some have bold patterns too. There are 4 stages. It's also fun to watch butterflies change. They change a lot in their short lives. In fact, there are 4 stages in a butterfly's life. There's the egg, the caterpillar, the chrysalid, and the butterfly. And our butterflies will look a little bit different than these ones. These are monarch butterflies, and we have painted lady caterpillars. Stage 1, the egg. A mother butterfly lays many eggs on a leaf or a branch. Each egg is close to food for the caterpillar to eat, like on a leaf for them to eat. Butterfly eggs come in all different shapes. They sometimes are all these different shapes. Then the tiny caterpillar bites holes in its egg and it crawls out. The caterpillar is very hungry. I'm making a connection to the very hungry caterpillar that we also read. The caterpillar eats its shell. Then it eats the leaf it's on, and the caterpillar moves to another leaf and eats that too. That's why sometimes when you're out walking, you can see some leaves with some holes in it where they've eaten. The caterpillar grows and grows. It gets too big for its skin, and it sheds its old skin like a snake. So sometimes you might even see the old skin. A new skin fits for a while, but then the caterpillar's too big for that skin too. And caterpillars shed 4 or 5 times. Then, like we saw, caterpillars start to get into the J shape, which is the chrysalid stage. By now, the caterpillar is ready to rest. It hangs upside down and it sheds its skin one more time. The new layer of the skin is called the chrysalids. It's a hard shell. Inside the caterpillar is changing. It stays in the chrysalids for about 10 to 14 days. The last stage, stage 4, is the butterfly. The chrysalid moves and it splits open, and then the butterfly wiggles out. Its wings are wet and crumpled. Blood pumps into the butterfly's wings and they get bigger and start to harden, and then the wings start to dry. Now the butterfly is ready to fly. Have a good trip, butterfly. It's time for lunch. A butterfly doesn't eat plants like a caterpillar. It has no mouth, but a butterfly drinks nectar from flowers. It drinks juice from fruit. A tube on its head works like a straw. So this is what our caterpillars are going to look, our butterflies are going to look more like. Cool facts about butterflies. The world's smallest butterfly is blue pygmy, and its length is just the size of a pin from wing to wing. Another thing is butterflies are found all over the world, except in Antarctica and the driest deserts. Butterfly wings are covered with tiny scales, and there are about 17,000 kinds of butterflies in the world. Butterflies taste with their feet, and they have sensors there. And the world's largest butterfly is the Queen Alexander birdwing. So I will post some more pictures of our butterflies and our caterpillars and our chrysalids to see the changes that happen. Have a good week.